respected Chief Guest, Chairman of Sacred Edu School, TV Tower Vidyanagar, Narned Sir, respected Principal Raju Sir, respected. Why you have gathered here? Why you are celebrating this function in the grand way? Just now we have seen our children performance very excellently without any fear. By that what happens? We can bring their inner talents, we can eradicate or we can remove their stage fear, shyness from their minds. They will become very fearlessness. When they grown up, so they will become good communication speakers, or they will face in interviews, they will become leaders. So that's why we are conducting every year annual day in this grand way. Now I want to share some points with you, the points already which are known to you. So just I can remind you, the parents what to do, what not to do. By my experience, I can reveal, please listen. First, primary education is the fundamental education. It's very, very important. Before joining your kid in any school, see that school environment. School environment means school building, classrooms, ventilation, infrastructure, playground. So most of the important thing is student-teacher ratio, management vision, and teachers' qualification. Besides that, the school teaches only academics or all-round development, like communication, skills. We should bring their creativity. We should make them as a leaders. This all points should be observed by the parents, then take the admissions. So our parents are well educated or employees. So our parents have chosen good school. There is no doubt at all. So our parents and children are very lucky fellows. So after joining your kid in the best school, please send your children to school regularly in time. That is also very, very important. Next, home environment also very, very important. Home environment means children most of the time spend with you. Parents should be very role model. Children can't listen. They follow us. They are good imitators. So parents should not quarrel with each other. Parents should not scold with each other. And also, parents also sleep in time. The children also sleep in time. So about food also, please provide good nutrition food. So now and then, please sit with them and eat together. And while going bed, please mother or father, please tell some stories, moral stories also. And also don't teach any negative thoughts. Don't inculcate any fear in the mind. Fear is death. Always be positive. Talk positive things only. So be developed in confidence levels. So always tell only courageous stories or daring stories only. So please, parents, don't spend your time with mobiles. If the children see, they also play with mobiles. Don't watch more time for TVs also. Everything will be observed by our students. Especially gent parents, male parents, please don't take any liquor in front of the children. If you take any liquor in front of children, so that will be impressed their minds. When they grown up, they will be habituated that also. We should be role model for the children. Next, health also very, very important. So from childhood to up to old age, everyone should become physically strong. So generally children play here daily 45 minutes, but that is not sufficient. So after coming to home also, you make them play just 1 hour, either cycling or running, any physical game. That is very, very important. Next, generally school runs 200 or 220 days. Out of 360 days, 150 days always are there. In all days time, parents should spend their time. Please bring them outside. Please expose them. So agricultural fields, or make them meet any great persons like doctors or IAS, IPS officers, or any agricultural fields, or politicians, or business people. Please expose outside. They can observe, they can learn more and more things. Holidays time should be utilized by you. Your investment is the for children, not money, your time only. Please remember that sentence. Generally, the parents have think like this. So I did not become a doctor, I did not become an IAS officer, IPS officer. So my child should become a software or IAS officer, IPS officer. That is good. But please, you have to identify your child interest. That is very, very important. Don't force your ideas on your children. That gives only negative results. I am not saying this worldwide research is telling the children who are interested in their field, if you just encourage them, they will become excel in their field, they will become leaders. Suppose if you force our thoughts on our children, they may success, but they may become only employees. They never become boss. So please remember that one also. Please don't compare your children with other children. So every child is a unique, every child has some unique specialties. Please encourage them. So next, it is a 9th academic year. Next, we are going to enter into 10th academic year. So we are running the school of KG to 7th class. We don't have admissions from 3rd to 7th because we are maintaining only limited strength. We have admissions only KG to 2nd class. Please parents refer admissions from KG to 2nd only. 3rd to 7th no admissions. So next academic year, we are going to start a artificial intelligence lab, AI, and also robotic lab for the next academic year from class 1 to class 7. And also the students who are studying here 6th and 7th class, we are going to start IIT coaching also. So I teach chemistry, Nausar teaches mathematics, we will provide one physics teacher also. But we will charge 20,000 extra rupees. The 6th class, 7th class parents, so no need to get bothered about IIT coaching. 100% we will give the IIT coaching. Weekly, just 4 classes. So besides that, communications, other subjects also will be taught. So I am very much thankful to today's chief guest and our principal sir, teaching on non-staff, parents, children and friends.